Alright, good afternoon, morning, night, whatever it is for you while you are watching this video, but yeah. I'm on my way to Namreg right now, hopefully to pick up my car. I hope they're done with it. Martin told me to be there at 4, it's now 3:51, so I'm giving him a little time. Don't want to show up too early, but I'm gonna go over there and document whatever he wants me to do, take pictures or anything like that, and then hopefully I can get my car back, but I have to figure it out because I don't really have a ride to the place, so I'm taking my dad's truck. So, yeah, we'll figure it out. If anything, I'll just have Martin drive me back and then I'll just give him a ride or something, I don't know yet. But, yeah, after that, I'm gonna go down to Parker, probably get some exhaust clips while I'm down there and shoot the car. Try and figure out how to work the slow-mo on this camera. I don't really know how, so if you know how, hit me up, or I don't know how, just let me know because I'm still confused with this camera. It's a brand new camera for me. But yeah, see you at Martin's. Alright, so I actually was in Namreg for the last hour, and the car probably won't be done tonight because he's the main welder, Martin is, and he's been in and out all day. But I'm gonna come back today at 7 and I'm gonna get some B-roll shots of him welding it together and stuff. And we just kind of talked about other vehicles in there and like how he wants me to shoot around the shop and stuff. But yeah, I'll be back at 7 and gonna get more like videos, B-roll of everything. I'll show you like what my car looks like now without the intake, or not the intake, the downpipe, and we'll just go from there. But yeah, I think it's pretty awesome what he's doing and what we're talking about. But I will keep you updated on when I get back, and we'll just go from there. Alright, so I just got some food. Made some bean burritos with green chili. It was delicious. But I got back to Namreg just now. I just need to grab all my stuff, and then after that I'll be inside. We'll go over everything. I'm pretty sure he already has everything fabbed, and like, I don't know, like, I don't even know what I'm saying. But yeah, we're gonna start the welding. I'll get some cool B-roll of that, and that's about it. We'll just go from there, talk to him about little random things, and then yeah. Alright, I'm here at Namreg right now. My car's on the lift. He fabbed up this right here, and yeah, he is working on trying to get that connected to the back muffler, and then that's about it. But yeah, I'll get some more my stock hats over there. So this is a part of the pipe that we're working with a downpipe. It's a 3-inch all the way through, and he wants to go from the turbo back all the way down 3 inches, which is gonna be nice because most people like CTS and APR, they start at like 3.5 inches and then they work their way down to like the stock piping, which is like 2.5 inches, and they go from there. But it's gonna be nice. I think it's gonna sound really good. Yeah, this is her just chilling, nice and pretty. These are, I got these done by Exhaust Pros here in Colorado. It's off Colfax, which they're probably gonna get trashed anyway whenever I do the hood dump, which is gonna be nice. But like I said, right here, that's what we're going off of, and I'll show you whenever he lowers the car, the top part of it. But I need to get that. I need to get screws for that, and yeah, I'll get some of him welding everything. Here's like an undershot. I'm trying to decide this now. You can kind of see where it sits up at the turbo. There's my turbo up there, and then it comes down. Oh, and then the microphone, and then it comes right here. It's all pretty nice and clean. Everything looks good. I'm not focusing, but whatever. But yeah, that's what we're working with. I wasn't even filming. This is a stock downpipe, and they cut off the top flange. That's a flange, right? It's called a flange. Yeah, they cut off that and put it on the pipe that's going down, but that's it. We're so confused because we don't know if this is a first cat, but we don't know if there's a second cat or not. So. Alright, so he went ahead and took off the downpipe that they're making, and there's my turbo right there. Let me see it, what you got so far. This is what everything, so this is the part that goes onto the turbo and then comes back down, and this is the flex, and that's about it. You're about to tack weld that on now?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, just tack and get it on there.
Perfect. Alright, so here's some of the welds that we done. They're really clean. He just needs to weld the top flange and that's about it. Right? And then we gotta drill the hole for the OT sensor and call that done. So he's got all the welds done for the whole downpipe, and now he's cutting the hole for the OT sensor. Yeah. Alright, so we went ahead and finished all the welding and stuff, and I'm gonna get a pan of both of them so you can see like the before and after of what's going on. But yeah, here you go. You can see this cat right there is now deleted, and then the secondary cat or resonator, whatever it is also gone as well. But yeah, the weldings were really good on this. Yeah, really good job. But yeah, now it's about to go back in the car, and then we'll let it start it up and go from there. Right, so we went and got the downpipe all installed and everything all welded and nice and done, and now he's just gonna tighten up this clamp right here and then get the cold start. But yeah, that's it. About to start it up. First start in a couple of days, so it's gonna be actual cold start, which is gonna be nice. But about to set up my tripod to be right about here, and yeah. Yeah, dude. Here's a nice little cold start. went to the shop today because my check engine light came on last night when I was driving. My first thought was the O2 sensor, and I kind of knew that it was going to be the O2 sensor because of the placement that we put it. And when I went to the shop today, they ran the code, and it was the O2 sensor, which I'm glad it was just the O2 sensor, nothing different. It also showed something about a catalyst. It's basically just saying that it wasn't there, so there's that. And then also on Audis like mine, we have valves for when we put it in dynamic mode. It opens up a valve, so it makes the exhaust louder. Mine have been unplugged for 2 years now, and that popped up as well, so I'm not too worried about it. But come tomorrow, I'm going to buy the Integrated Engineering Stage 2 map, and we're going to install that and go from there. I think I'm going to go ahead and put the crackle and pop tune on there so I could get possibly some flames. I don't know if I will or won't, but if I do, that'd be cool. And if it's too annoying, I could just go back to the shop and take it off. It's super simple because Integrated Engineering gives you that map for free. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll probably order an intake eventually, probably mid-month of June. And then once that's done, then I'll be full stage 2, and it's going to be ridiculous. Yeah, but if you like the video, obviously leave a like and subscribe. More content to come. I'll video tomorrow us installing the tune and how easy it is. And then we'll get a couple pulls in and everything and go from there. But huge shout out to Namreg MotorSports. If you're local in the Denver area, Colorado Springs area, anywhere, come to Namreg. They are amazing. Like I said, it took them 2 days to custom do my downpipe, and it was amazing work. It sounds good. I love it. Huge shout out to them. I'll leave a link in the description for their Facebook page, I believe. And yeah, I would definitely, if you need any type of German work, Audi, BMW, Volkswagen, Mercedes, anything German related, they'll do it, and they're good at their job. They have a nice little shop there. They do anything from detailing to collision repair, everything. It's really nice. They're really good people. But yeah, I'm gonna finish editing this video. Should be posted today. If not, then it'll be posted tomorrow. But cool. Yeah, like I said, leave a like and subscribe. Really helps a lot. And yeah, goodbye.